Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Turn the mouse on and confirm batteries or charge level. This prevents disconnects during pairing. On your computer or phone, open Settings and enable Bluetooth so it can scan. Next, put the mouse into Discovery mode. Hold its pairing button for about 3-5 seconds until an LED flashes or a voice prompt sounds. Once done, keep the devices within 3-5 meters and move to the device's Bluetooth list to begin pairing. You now choose the mouse from the list that appears in Bluetooth settings. Tap or click the device name. If a PIN or confirmation prompt appears, accept it. Common PINs are 0000 or 1234, but most modern devices use Simple Accept. Your system may install drivers automatically. Let that finish. Once the status reads connected or paired, move the cursor to confirm control. If movement is inconsistent, make sure no other paired device is actively connected. Then continue. You finish by customizing settings, pointer speed, scrolling behavior, and button assignments in the device's mouse settings so it feels natural. Make sure Auto Reconnect or Remember Device is enabled so the mouse pairs automatically next time. If things go wrong, try this one key troubleshooting step. Power cycle the mouse and your device, then remove any old pairings and try again. If that fails, replace batteries or reset the mouse to factory pairing mode before retrying. This solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.